Namaskar and a very good morning. Welcome to the audio cast of Kotak Securities. I'm your host and guide, Anindya Banerjee. कल डॉलर इंडेक्स came under selling pressure, especially later in the night, क्योंकि there was talk of stress in the US regional banking stocks. And जिसके कारण the stock market initially sold off and then recovered due to tech earnings, but the US bond prices rose and that drove the yields lower and that in turn drove the dollar index lower. तो ये डॉलर इंडेक्स का सेल ऑफ की वजह से आज USDINR is trading lower 82, 93, 94 levels on the spot reference. कल यूएस से जो डेटा था ISM manufacturing that was better than expectation, but that did not matter because of what happened with the banking stocks. And eurozone से जो inflation था that was a little higher than expected, so that gave a little support to the euro dollar, which was again negative for the dollar index. So all in all, it looks like USDINR जो last एक हफ्ते से it's being drifting down may continue to do so. अभी देखना ये है कि ये drift down में it is strong enough to break the support level at 82.80, 82.90 and sustain or not. That we have to see. But the traders go short because trying to buy near the support is not working because it is not still showing any signs of holding the or signs of any kind of a bounce. So how to play a short? It's a difficult environment to trade, no doubt about that, because any trade at this environment has a 50-50 chance for the simple reason that you cannot bet whether any trend will continue in USDINR or not. Suddenly the trend can reverse for the simple reason sometimes RBI intervention becomes very aggressive or जिसके कारण and then the speculative flows or the corporate flows diminish and you see a sudden reversal in prices. That can happen. So with that in mind, you have to trade USDINR. So it's a very difficult market condition to trade that. But if you just go by the current price action, उसके हिसाब से it makes sense to short USDINR. Stop रहेगा कल का जो high था 83.03 on the spot. अगर 83, let's say you can have a stop on the basis of 83.05 on a spot basis. अगर 83.05 के ऊपर sustain कर रहा है, let's say for an hour or more, then you can exit your shorts. Otherwise, it's a sell on rise in USDINR. And 82.80 is a very strong support zone thereabouts. On spot, if that breaks, then you are looking at possibly a move towards 82.5. So it's a sell on rise in USDINR. Cross currencies में GBP-INR is going to open with a gap up. Euro-INR is also open with a gap up. Yen-INR can see some buying, but overall it could see a range bound price movement. आज US jobs data will be very important. And before we conclude, the Bank of England का जो meeting था कल, that was slightly hawkish than what the market was anticipating, but that really did not change the expectation of rate cuts from the Bank of England, especially from mid of this year onwards. But thanks to that and then what happened with the US banking stocks, pound, GBP, dollar and GBP-INR both rebounded very strongly. So that's it folks. This is Anindya Banerjee signing off. Have a fantastic day ahead.